Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is April the 14th and I'm using my Forex Scalper trading system. This system has the Forex Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from blue to red, and you'll also have these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. I've had quite a few traders asking me if they repaint. Nothing on this chart here repaints. Once it prints it, it stays there. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to either buy or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, looking at my daily trade plan. And once I figure out if I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this arrow right here. So now we can take a look at my daily trade plan, and just to let you know, I was trading from just before 10 to before 10:30, so less than 30 minutes, and I'm done trading for the day. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzes the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And then within the comments here, it'll say look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Some will be preferred, some is running flat or not enough strength. So just to let you know, it's very important that you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. And after 20 years and a number of different kinds of daily trade plan, this was the best one I came across so far. So if you don't have any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Keep in mind, if you look right below this video, you'll get some more information regarding this daily trade plan. And just to let you know, I always start on the 15-minute time frame, and if I'm trading for a very short period of time, to do this video, I put it down to the 5 minutes so I can get and show you the pip or tick total, because it'll be a very short move, about 20-25 minutes. So now we can start with this Euro Aussie. This one I sold it, so let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now I took the trade right at this cursor, closed it out over here. Like I said, very short move. Obviously getting in up here or here would be a little bit better. But I put in a bunch of trades, usually 5 or 10, sometimes even more trades. And as you can see, it becomes very easy to get 200 or more pips and or ticks, especially if you do the DAX 30. Looks like I got 21 here, and those 21 pips paid out $123. Okay, let's take a look at the next trade here, which is this pound yen. So let's go over to the pound yen. We're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Okay, wanted to be buying it. There's from the daily trade plan. I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out up here, and I'm glad I did, because it hit this double top, wouldn't go any further up. Market decided to do a complete reversal. Market is very random, you got to be aware of that. Just as easy as the market can go up, it can go down, especially at this point in time when we have all kinds of things going on around the world. So on this pound yen, took the trade at this point, this cursor, closed it out here, being happy with, looks like 20 pips, and that paid out $139. Okay, let's run a check on the next trade. This one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. When I pulled the trigger, the scalper was red. Right in this area and this area. Took the trade at this point. This cursor. And closed it out at this point, locking in 27 pips. And that paid out $176. Okay, now we're moving on to the futures, the indexes. They end up moving a lot more and paying a lot more. So on this gold right here, let's see, gold. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I sold it. Very small move and some pretty good money down here. Would have been better over here, but I was not even available. And being away from home at the moment, I'm trying to do all this on my laptop, and it's like 3 times more difficult, especially when I don't have my own internet, so everything is more complicated, but it's not that bad. It's just a little bit more difficult, that's all. So on gold, there are ticks, paying $10 for each tick, so it looks like it should be 61.2. So from there to there should be 61.2. Let's see if we can find the 61. Try one more time. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. But it's 61. Let's just go with the 61. And that ended up paying out $612. Usually when I do the DAX 30, which is the last trade here, that will give me well over 200, which is what I'm looking for every day. So on this DAX 30, we'll just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So from there to there is the move. DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 3.75. Calculator says it's 810 approximately. Probably difficult to show you right on, but let's try. From there to there, so that's 806, 815. As you can see, it's very difficult to get it right on unless I drop it down to the 1 minute. But it is 810 approximately, and that paid out $3,037. So definitely a great day of trading. Fantastic way to start off the week, especially when not even at home on my main computer. Just goes to show you, you can be anywhere in the world. All you need is your laptop and internet. Hopefully the internet is good enough, and most places you go, the internet is usually good enough, especially in the hotels. So I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks because of this DAX 30. The grand total came to 939, and all of that, or those pips and ticks, paid out $4,088. Have an extra minute or two. Want to show you a neat tool I highly recommend. It's called the FIB Master tool. You would just, once you get it, you would just click on here we go, found it. Click on it right here. You would go from swing low to swing high. There's your pullback. And as a general rule, if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually make it to target 2, 3, 4, or 5. And today it hit number 5 right there. And of course it has a grand total of 10 targets. FIB Master tool works so great, mainly because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. And of course, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And of course, I have lots of information right below this video. Now, if you have any questions, all you got to do is get in contact with me, and that's very easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video. In the description, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now, you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone most of the time. And of course, if you can't do that, well, all you got to do is just send me an email, or I put a link there for a Skype invite. Quite simple. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Skype connection. And at this point in time, I prefer to use Skype, as at that point, when we have a connection, I should be able to answer most of your questions. So, also, by the way, when you look below this video in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.